You're not eligible for speak. You're not eligible for speak. I pay batta all you get when Shay come up. I don't all you and yam. You and yam Shay crutches on the wrong side. Up on the wrong side, you and yam Shay crutches, cause the right side rub out. I mean now ask it rub. Me now ask you, Queenie. Like
so basically, me I wonder if I die my aunt Shay in the night. Shebada don't do girls, they like boys.
Thank you. Like that
so
girl,
basically, me I wonder if I die my aunt Shay in the night. You don't blood clot come for me now. You don't come for me. But just attack. Because if a 3 person go out and them want to go out the night and I must away the night, she be going yard and she and Daima go wherever them want to go. Anyhow. Shay, oh yo.
Another party with Diamond, another one with Diamond, my baby. Diamond never they round that party. Yeah, Diamond never they round that party.
Wicked so. How you wicked so?
Yeah.
Hey, I be a liar go and go tell Queenie. Be a liar tell Queenie about the Jamaican trip.
Say this little louder for me, my baby. Say this little louder, cause anytime Shay want tell me things, she make Queenie come out, come give me the message. So I'm gonna give Queenie all a Shay message then.
Guess what now? You tell Queenie say, Shebada ask you which part Jaden live. And you show him one wrong place. Shebada, not telling like her, Shebada never cussing him. Shebada only come talk to him this evening. So nobody say the man cussing him because the man never cussing him. Him just come out and him just speak facts. He's quietly stated that you said, you want me to show you where Jaden live?
Yes.
Fix the binnacles. And quite enough. You carry me on a Jaden yard.
Yes.
You show me figure it out live.
Yes.
Akeem live where Rose did get the first house and then put her out. So you see all of them information there where you give up about Rose. Because you never there Jamaica when Rose did get the house there. A dime I tell you.
Oh, that's
hey! Boy, you want to enjoy the people in party in a peace. But this the part my mind have to come out to come blood clot talk the things there because hey Daima. Fix the piece a bit, fix the piece of ear. Them how you can't chat so. Bumbo clot. When you come out and say you share up on the call and Jaden say you Shay Queenie and him there on 4-way call and you chat figure it out. Hey, Daima, you see that mouth here where you have? I go put you in a problem. Your mouth, I go put you in a problem. Daima, you use your mouth look a bit too much. You can't Shay go show Shay where figure it out live, Akeem live, Rose, you they rent the house and them then nobody give her the house. You can't go show Jaden yard. No, she know Jaden yard because Jaden yard she did go. So the rest of yard them a bonus with Diamond show you. You me I tell them
when Queenie sit down and attack, you know, she didn't tell you who paid the money. When time did she say how much because me don't know how she give me all of them information here and me never bargain for it. She never tell you. I owe a pay off the man them where Akeem pay. Forget rid of Jaden. I owe pay the $2 million. When you want $2 million argument, where Jaden say, him have to do this for Shay and that for Shay because people this and people that. Okay. Shay tell me say Jaden Akeem pay money for and a prominent name and figure had to pay $2 million. Yeah, for the job no carry out. Jaden afraid him no want to leave him yard. You no want to leave your yard, Jaden, because you're afraid. I try everywhere now for fly you out. Queenie Shay tell her that then me have all of them information, yeah. Remember Shay said she walk and give Martin them information, you know, which is a liar. Shay tell me this from my mouth. That's why I not make my friend come on last night, you know, because some things that my friend want to talk. I not make she come on. Yeah? So when you attack Shay, Queenie, anything Shay tell if you tell me, wait out. Wait out. Yeah? Just wait it out. Yeah? Because I'm not to them here, she throw jabs at me. From the Jaden situation is not today. Yeah? So she must do the things them either and I'ma play hypocrite. Me not hypocrite towards she. After she not come from nowhere. She not come from a good background. You not she not come from nowhere. You not go like you something. Queenie, you go like you get a prize. You go like it's a prize. You accomplish anything. That's why I tell you, say, she sit down and play hypocrite, and nothing she make you a say when she want your words for me. She can't tell me direct, because if me have anything to say, me go say it to she face to face. She can't tell me direct. Me an idiot, and she alone a dance. Me an idiot. So when she give you the messages from the time on the live when me say, she, you're wrong, you and Queenie class Jaden tell Jaden say my batty man, him have doctor man, what you are doing at the boy house? And Jaden, you're wrong for accommodate Shay in your present. At that hurt you, Shay. At that hurt you. Me and a girl underneath you. Me and a girl underneath you. So it's when it comes to the point where you want me for dip by your side. Because it is a nasty, wicked, dirty girl, you and Queenie. When it's a nasty set of sodomite. Go widen the living condition. Go open out the cafe. Yeah, go open out the internet cafe. Because I go walk in a situation one at a time. If you ever get up and walk together on the name hug up. Yeah, if you live in name hug. On too close. Two on can't walk in on the spot one time. You never know. Somebody don't know where Queenie come out to talk about. And that's why I sit down quietly, because I know shady that go come out, you know. I know shady that go come out. That's why I sit down quietly, you know, and patiently I wait, because I know it's a fair style that. So come now. I could go up on the $2 million where you tell me say the prominent figure of a PR for Jaden can walk and Akeem nobody analyze him, because Akeem say if him for make $2 million on the app Jaden make him a make all 500,000. Come now. I don't know them something here. Because I not even know the animosity between them or if there's any, because them play hypocrite well. So when Queenie jump out and talk about, remember this why she run off, because she a informer. Remember this why she end up at Belgium, because she a informer. Remember she ambition, she gift and she talent is to work and set up people. Remember, this is Shay's ambition, to work and set up people. So what you say? Cause like go last night, you know. Jaden not innocent, you know. But make theme time come. When theme time come, we deal with him the same way. Not jump start it. Don't jump start it. So when Queenie ready for rush out and talk, don't come about me. Cause she sit down so. And she knows that she's not supposed to make you open your mouth. And she sit down, so I have proof that you send Martin everything. She, if me and your friend and you have forgot you Martin to give me information, what does that say between you and I? Me want if the internet have no knowledge. What does that say between you and I? Because when I say a long time I know your son father is a barefoot man, your son father be Queenie talk about all that necessary, then Queenie. How it necessary for she talk say she have to send information to a source to get to me when me and she supposed to be so down? What does that say to you? That means I'm gonna put up barriers between me and she. I'm gonna put up barriers between me and she. This when me a carry out she, when she there Jamaica in February, IG, me and she link via IG. What wrong with you now? Una idiot? IG. Wait, you can't hear that. Me and you communicate via IG. Make it make sense now. A Jaden make she change her closet, you know. When nobody no want to say it, I will. A A Jaden make Shay change her closet, Latifula. I pay a comb Shay used to wear. I kid you not, that's it. When time Shay and Jaden apart, my officer Shay, you look really nice. Remember Shay don't know what is bust down? And these are just the truth. Me call out the truth since you not plague me. Yeah? So Queenie, you not jump up for me in the back and come to Shebada in the front. You not do that. That's how me no want you to do. But all of a sudden, man, you always been annoying to me. I say are the only reason why I show you a little respect. You always, up to now, you annoy me. You in a little alpha boys home shots, them annoy me. Are the only living condition me soon sit down in our office chair, or a waiting chair. Are the only living condition that me see so. Remember nothing big not there Europe. Nothing big not there Europe is not Texas. So we never expect nothing better. Sometimes I wonder if one is esthetician. Me I wonder if one do facial. Are you alone, Queenie? Me sit down. Very obedient. Cause she take up the one with the cushion. Hello? She take up the something with the cushion. So you have to eat the hardboard. Cause people now watching them. When you sit in that chair, your foot them off a cross from your ankle. Your legs them off a cross from your ankle. You could never do this in the chair. So me the whole of we talk about Dolly house. Make all of we talk always a Dolly house. Remember if you and Shay get up and walk in opposite direction, you don't have to hug up for pass. You don't have to hug to pass. And one at a time on a living condition name. On a movement in the slow and timely. On a voice cannot fade. So that is why you must become about me. Now ball eagle is true me attack. Remember when she and Queenie are passing in the opposite direction, I saw them come. It's a walls. It's a walls. You know, she say walls, the woman a walls. A son of a hug and turn. Live die kitchen. Living room, dining room, kitchen. In a one. Now me, she know my good enough. She know she not for come about me. She knows so when time me take off my cap, you know, me not partial, nobody and nobody can say nothing to me. Me apologize to everybody when me done. But me can't keep nothing in me. Nothing say cancel it down happy wife there. Me no want keep nothing in me. Nothing in me. Oh, she should have tell Queenie said, don't go for him. Don't make him just cut talk cause him not in the line, me not cuss me. Cause me never did a cuss you, Shay. You show a whole heap of word from you and Candy attack. Oh, me eat batty boy. Me eat batty boy. She no make me go down that road there. Just make me stay up here, so. Remember Tap Road me live. No make me go at Batam Road. Yeah. Don't let me. So when Queenie sit down and talk, say, oh, you know what make him eat, Shay? She never tell you who paid the $2 million for Jaden and some gunman no bother go in a Alabalo. She never tell you that. Queenie come on man talk that. Let me hear Shay tell you that. Cause if she not tell you that, she wicked. I want to talk some things, you see. I want to talk some things and disturb the internet, but make it rest. Make it rest. She said me and I chat enough things. Me and Shay can't chat enough things because number one, me not even know about TikTok. Me can't even put up live goal properly. Me not even know about TikTok and Shay not have my number. So me and I gonna talk enough things. As Shay talk, me I listen. Oh my God, I lie. Me eat and some gunman you say. Jeez, and some gunman wicked. Come on, I want to hear more. I want to hear more. What them want with my man Jaden? Yeah, we are try. These are the words that she use. We are try. Get one visa for get him out of Jamaica. All the boy have to change him car. He have to go somewhere. I think she say he have to move, go somewhere else, change which party. Something like something. I don't remember, you know, because I dirty people them here, I can't bother with them mix up here, you know. You understand me? She says she's Jaden, yeah. See the blue vehicle there. Him gone in bed. The boy in him house. Me say Shay, me could stop and call him out. Yeah, no. If me did want to stop, me just stop and me a drive. Me say girl, call him on the phone. No, but you never tell me say him not chat to you. We not talk from this, huh? We not talk from this, huh? And no make me go down in a Shay. No make me go down in it. Cause if I tell Queenie the truth, say I pay embarrassment to get a Jamaica. Figure it out round this, so Akeem did this, so the house, this, so Rosalie did went and then put her out. And I don't remember if you called them my name, but make that risk. Because I can't remember the dirty things them because I did very intoxicated. Very intoxicated. I'm in a business with them something there. I'm going to hold my mouth until Queenie come out and you and I try to tell lie. Don't tell a lie for me, Shay. I'm bold enough. If me did want Jaden, I could have walk up to Jaden door and press it and knock it. And make him say, where you do ya? Come I just want him to see me. So what you say? Come in now, cuss on you now. Me now cuss you. Oh, me never say, well, Latifula there. Me not say Latifula. Yeah. So don't tell Queenie not tell a lie. Appear lie, you tell Queenie. You pack up Queenie head appear things. Appear things you tell Queenie. Fish clean. Yeah. You tell Queenie appear things because you want Queenie clean the house. Yeah. Pure things and Queenie come out and like she did dip on the scene. Queenie, you weren't on the scene. You're not eligible for speak. You're not eligible for speak. I pay batta all you get when Shay come up. I done all you and yam. You and yam Shay crutches on the wrong side. Up on the wrong side you and yam Shay crutches because the right side rub out. I mean now ask it rub. Me now ask you Queenie. No, but it's true. Some of the whole of we talk, and she not talk the story good, you know. She, you see your mouth are your problem, little girl. Your mouth make you could come back to Jamaica. Your mouth make it that for run because all you do, you're going, I don't want to talk something, but I make it rest. You should not take it aside if you felt Shay wrong, should tell her off live. Excuse me, come here. I not say Shay for tell Shay off live. I tell Shay say she wrong on live, in a live, out a live, everywhere me tell Shay say she wrong. She a big woman. Me no need to tell Shay say she wrong, alright. Me and Shay now whole conversation about nobody at all. Me and Shay now link up a week time but nobody at all. So when you ever say me need to tell Shay say she wrong offline, if Shay can walk and carry news to everybody, why she never vent how she feel about when I say? But I say Shay know exactly say I'm talking the truth, and Shay knows say me got always start the truth. Come and look on shape and this and I say, you see when you start make your rounds on the app and you start make yourself friendly and the internet will tear you down, I will be the first to come and tell it to your face. And she say, yeah, tell me. So I don't know how big old Queenie I act up and I go on up. Like say me I take side, me not take side. If Jaden wrong. But why would you buy into Jaden's foolery and make it a hurt your head because you want a content out of it too? So guess what? You want the internet for say Jaden a trouble me, Jaden a take side problem. Jaden a go always plague people because he's my internet plague. But you not buy into it. Where Shay are doing a Jaden house for me take Shay's side now when Shay say Jaden a doctor man, knowing that Jaden is my man and Shay tell me say my mate brighter than me because he is a doctor. Huh? Or me if I take Shay's side now. Huh? Explain to me. Because you now make no sense, you know. You cuss and talk say you hate Jaden and I ask you and Shay. I say Queenie still hate Jaden. I dey on live screen record there. I call on her out and when I call on her out and I say me a throw shades. I always a call on her out. Queenie move your stinking self and go. Because under filter you have to look good at Belgium. Move.